Welcome to Tutor Online. Requested question, related to pie chart. The pie chart shows the sources of revenue of a publishing company. Express the revenue the company earns from newspapers as a percentage of the total revenue of the company. Express the revenue the company earns from magazines as a percentages of the total revenue of the company. If the revenue the company earns from book is 17.5% of the total revenue of the company, find the value of X. Formula for angle for an item of a pie chart is given by angle equals to value of item divided by 100, then multiply by 360 degree, or angle equals to percentage of item multiply by 360 degree. We can use any of these two formulas according to the given information. If value of items are given, we use first formula, and if percentage of items are given, we will use second formula. Part 1. Express the revenue the company earns from newspapers as a percentage of the total revenue of the company. Since here we have angle of newspapers given and we have to calculate percentage of newspapers, therefore we use second formula. Here our item is newspapers, and we have angle of newspaper 180 degree, so substitute the value in formula. Now remove percentage sign by placing 100 in denominator of newspaper. In order to calculate percentage of newspapers, we will multiply the angle of newspaper by 100, and then multiply the result by 360 degree, as shown in the steps. Therefore, the company earns 50% of its revenue from newspapers. Part 2. Express the revenue the company earns from magazines as a percentages of the total revenue of the company. Here our item is magazines, and we have angle of magazines 72 degree, so substitute the value in formula. Now remove percentage sign by placing 100 in denominator of magazines. Here we have given angle of magazines revenue that is 72 degree, and we have to calculate percentage of magazines revenue, so we multiply the given angle of magazines revenue by 100, and then multiply the result by 360 degree. Therefore, the company earns 20% of its revenue from magazines. Part 3. Here you have given percentage of item that is 17.5%, this is in form of mixed fraction, and we have to calculate angle X. First we must convert it to normal fraction, by multiplying 2 in denominator by 17, then add numerator 1 to answer to generate new numerator, while denominator remains same, as shown below. Here we have percentage of books revenue given, and we have to find the angle of books revenue that is X, so we multiply the given percentage of books revenue by 360 degree. Now remove percentage sign by placing 100 in denominator of 35. Divide 35 by 100 and then multiply your answer by 360. Therefore, the value of X is 126 degree. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below. Also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.